Hello, everybody. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I hope you're having a good day. Today is day 24 of the 2024 31 day Smashbook Challenge. And today's prompt is, what's on my desk? Well, so what I did is I just took a picture. I am not going to sit here and describe everything that's on my desk. So here we go. Boom. There. That's my desk. So I have my computer. I have my glues, my pens. That's my camera. That's my little laptop, or not laptop, tablet. That's where my water thing for my paints and my paint holder. That's my scissors. That's miscellaneous, and that's the journal I'm working on, art journal right now, my mouse pad, just odds and ends, and this thing back there, and that's a shelf that's in front of me, so I can reach and grab that, and that's my desk, and I just doodled around the picture and did that. So that is day 24, what's on my desk. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.